Rest is not laziness. It is recovery, repair, and reset of both our mental and physical health. Hello, my name is Dr. Henry Ogbefun. Today, I will talk to you about something simple but very important: rest, and why your body needs rest. Rest is not laziness. It is recovery, repair, and reset of both our mental and physical health. Rest comes in three forms: quality sleep, active recovery, and mental breaks. Why do we need rest? 1. Physical recovery. When we sleep, our body repairs tissues, builds muscles, and strengthens our immune system. Sleep helps to regulate hormones that control stress, appetite, and growth. So rest supports metabolism and healing. 2. Mental benefits. Sleep helps to consolidate memories and improve learning. Short breaks during the day helps to restore focus and creativity. When we rest, our brain clears out metabolic waste and becomes better at problem solving and emotional control. Active recovery, such as walking, stretching, or yoga, helps to improve blood circulation without stressing the body. They reduce soreness, improve flexibility, and speed up recovery after an intense activity. Mental breaks, such as deep breathing or 10 minutes break from computer or TV screen, can help to reduce stress and prevent burnout. Micro breaks like this improve mood and decision making over a long period of time. How many hours of sleep do we really need? Most adults do best with 7 to 9 hours per night, but consistency matters. Try to go to bed the same time and wake up the same time every day matters. Make your bedroom sleep friendly, making it cool, dark, quiet, and stop watching TV an hour before going to bed. Put away your phone, dim the light, and also choose a pre-sleep relaxing routine like reading a book or gentle stretches. Short nap can also help. 10 to 30 minutes power nap during the day can boost alertness without affecting nighttime sleep. For those of us who find it difficult to sleep at night, it is better to avoid late afternoon nap. Build rest into your day. Use micro breaks like standing, stretching, or deep breathing for 1 to 5 minutes after every hour. Schedule a longer rest after an intense activity. Also listen to your body. If you are getting unusually tired, it's time to give permission to your body to slow down. Once again, rest is not laziness. It is restorative. You can't catch up on sleep later. For chronic sleep loss can harm your health. Rest is essential for our day. It is not optional. Finally, rest improves our immunity, mood, memory, and performance. It also helps us recover from illness and stress. It helps to keep our daily decision and our relationship on track. Small, consistent changes can make a big difference. This week, make a commitment to yourself that you will take one of these changes, like 10 minutes walk break. Be consistent with your sleep pattern, and you tell me what you think.